Let's effortlessly craft captivating social videos using the power of Canva and a touch of AI magic. In just a few clicks, you can transform your photos and video snippets into share-worthy videos with music too. Stay tuned. I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help businesses grow using video and social media design with ease. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more of these tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of Canva Magic Design for video, where you don't need any video editing skills to produce fabulous videos. Canva's clever AI will also sync the theme of your video with the perfect music track from their extensive audio library. Later in this video, I'll also discuss some limitations you should be aware of when using Canva Magic Design for video. To get started, you'll need a Canva account. If you don't have one yet, click on the link in the description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days, loaded with all of the premium content for you to use with your videos. This feature is available for both free and paid Canva users. Let's roll up our sleeves and let the magic unfold. To get started in Canva, we want to go on the home page to the Videos tab, and we can select any of the video options here, but it must be a video document type in order for this to work. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create an Instagram reel. Now that I've selected that option, you will see the ability here to generate videos instantly, and this is what I want you to select. So go ahead and click that. And you'll see here that Magic Design for Video is asking you to select at least 3 files to add to your video. So I'm going to go ahead and add the videos that I want to have in this Instagram reel. So I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and a couple of images here. So I've selected the maximum, which is 10. And then here I can describe what video I want. So if you don't exactly know what, just go ahead and select try an example. And this gives you an idea. So you can either scroll through a couple of these, or I'm just going to go ahead and type what I want, which is a behind the scenes of creating a video for YouTube. So now that I've got that, I can go ahead and click generate, and then Canva will do its thing. And now I can see Canva has generated, as you can see, it's put the videos all here in the timeline as well as a music track. So this is a 30-second track. So let's have a bit of a preview to see what it looks like. Now, that's not too bad. I feel like the order of it is something that needs to be moved around, but the music's pretty good. I like the snippets that they added. And as you can see, they've also come up with text here for the actual video. So you can now go in and you can go ahead and you can change the text to be whatever you want. So for example, this one, it says, I set up my camera and lighting. So you can go in and you can choose, well, I would change this and say something like, here's what my camera and light looks like. And then other things like the ordering of it wasn't quite right. So here, when I scrub with the timeline, I can see that they've got me putting on makeup. And then here, like, I don't have makeup on. So I can change the ordering of the placement of the video. So I'm just going to drag it and switch it here so that it at least is in the right order. The other thing that they've done, which I really like, is they've got transitions all in place for you. So they've sliced up the videos, taken snippets out, and they've got transitions. So if you don't like them, you simply click on them like I did there, and it will open up the transitions tab. And then you can go ahead and change the transition to be one that you like if you didn't actually like it. So you can go ahead and change that if you want. And you can also do things like they've got the music track here that you see. So they've got the track there, but if you don't like it, as usual, you can change it. So you can find all of the tracks in the left-hand side here in the audio tab. And this is music that is part of the Epidemic Sound library. So it's not all of their tracks, but it's a lot of their tracks. So you can simply search for something that you like to replace that. So maybe I like the sound of this upbeat one instead. So I simply just drag it to replace it, and then I can delete the one that they've got. So you've got the ability to make changes to the template that they set out for you. But the beauty of Canva Magic for Video is they've done a big chunk of the work for you. They've sliced up the video, they've added some text, they've done the transition, they've added some music. And as always, you can go ahead and you can make all the changes that you want. If you don't like it, you can remove it. And with the video, you can go and add your own elements to it as well. So let's say I wanted to add some extra graphics. I would just choose them and add it to it. But the idea of them doing the bulk of the work for you is something I really, really love. And once you're happy with it, all you need to do is go to Share, download, and then download the MP4 file. Now you'll see here that Canva do tell you to connect your social accounts, particularly if you're going to post this to Instagram or you're going to post this to YouTube. You want to connect your social accounts to Canva so that if you do have an ID claim, it's much easier to sort out, right? If you don't do this, you will get an ID claim and it's a bit of a headache. So make sure you connect your social accounts to avoid all of that, and then go ahead and download the file, and then happy days, you've got a file ready for you to start using on your socials. Here are some current limitations. Magic Design for Video is only available at the moment for social media video, such as Instagram Reels or TikTok videos and video document types. I've included the sizes on the screen. Videos that you upload can be any size, but if the video is too small or too large, the video generated may not be of great quality. Magic Design for Video uses both free and paid content from the Canva library. If you're using a free Canva account, you can either upgrade to Pro, purchase the premium content, or remove or replace it from your design to download the video. When publishing the video to YouTube, make sure you're logged into your account that's also linked to a Canva account to avoid any content claims. I hope this video on Canva Magic Design was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me. And let me know in the comment section below what other Canva training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.